Bitcoin insane new signal. Are you ready for this? Ready about what? That's what we are going to show you in that video, guys. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, the daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here a indecision candle, as you see it here, after that mega pump happened here. Now what the Bitcoin going to do? Me personally, I think there is a smaller correction going to happen. If that going to happen, that's the first scenario. Second scenario, the bulls, they are going to give us another green candle here, and the market going to give us like that. Then another big candle like that, and there is going to be a continuation pattern here in that place. And if that's happening, we are going to pump to the sky. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes, and know you can do it. So please, my friend, please smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin. What you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Us today, as you see it here, we enter a long, it's like mid-term. As you see, the take profit for is at 88k. Then market showing to us is ZEV is going to reverse down. Look at it. We enter a short scalping here. We catching even that smaller move down. Then what we do from down, we enter a long, as you see it here, from 75,723, and we take 50% from the profit, and we move in stop loss to entry point. So when the market going to go back to the place where us we enter that long, we will be making nice money. So if you are interested in this type of signals, my friend, the link of our Patreon is down in description of the video, and in the first comment you click at it, you're going to land here in our Patreon. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord, and we're going to solve it for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you, the market give us here a indecision candle. That's when over here in that place there is a war there, and that normal, that candle here, either one of two, it happened in the top of the market. Then after that we saw a dump from here, that the first scenario. Second scenario is going to happen like that, like a continuation pattern next to it, and it's going to tell us the market is going to continue going more upward. Oh, now what we need to do, we need to wait today candle how it's going to go, if the Bitcoin going to pump more or the Bitcoin from that level here going to fall down. The problem of Bitcoin those days, because a lot of mad people, they try to short it from those levels here. So the Bitcoin in its way fending a lot of bears. They want the Bitcoin to dump, and then they try to slow it down, and they don't allow it to pump hard, because by that winning of Donald Trump, if there is not those short a lot, well, that will reach to 80k or 100k. But the problem is those idiots, they want to short the Bitcoin. That's why also we saw it like that, try to fight it here. They don't want it to break the ceiling, but even like that. And today the Bitcoin give us here a new high, as you see it here, 76,812. So that one is a new high, guys. Compared to yesterday, we're breaking that last yesterday here peak. That's good news. What shall we do now for long term? Because daily also we analyze it for long term. Shall you enter now at this place? No, my friend, there is no entry now. You need to wait if there is a smaller correction, because Bitcoin, it doesn't work just like that. Look at it here, what it's doing like that, always making those waves like that. So same thing, you waiting the Bitcoin to correct down for you to catch another entry, because that's how it's working. Only if there is another daily candle came and breaking that last high here, that's an another story. You can catch it, but even like that, and it's going to be very, very dangerous for you to enter from the top like that, because in trading you need to learn that always enter from the bottom and sell in the top. That's what you need to do. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now we're going to see Bitcoin sentiment plus Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow, because it happened something very, very important in the ETF. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin sentiment here. Bitcoin sentiment, same thing as you see it. The bears is still powerful than the bulls, so there is nothing to analyze here. The bears, they still want the Bitcoin to fall down. And the problem that those was their retail traders, those was they selling at 74k. Also, we've been talking about that thousands of times. We've been telling people don't sell at 74k, but people they selling at 74k. Bitcoin now is it at 76k. And it's going to go more than that. That's the problem with retail traders. They don't want to listen, and when they saw some profit, they try to take it quickly. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow, guys. Yesterday it happened something very, very, very important for Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock, in the first time we saw them, they sell, guys. Look at it here. BlackRock is the first time they sold the Bitcoin they holding. They sold 996 Bitcoin yesterday. That's what me I told you. We buy from the bottom and we sell it in the top. You see it there? Rest who buy? Grayscale they bought, Fidelity they bought, ARK Investment they bought, BITB they bought, and even the hodlers they bought Bitcoin. Today what happened, guys? Our friend Grayscale today they buy 96 Bitcoin. The rest we don't got all the data here. Till tomorrow we're going to find it here. BITB they bought 177 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin here will be bought today plus 543, but we need to wait in the rest because the data is still coming, guys, and I think it's going to be an inflow day. So I think I explained to you everything here. Now it's going to see it coming news of today, guys. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, we don't got nothing here. Also, we came here just to see our table here. That one, also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel because a lot of data here. As you see here, Nasdaq, new high, SP500, new high, Dow Jones, it doesn't move that much today. And the most important thing is it that one here, the VIX, also, we are at 15.20. We haven't bottom yet, guys, for you to start thinking of to take profit. As I've been mentioning before, till we reach to 12, that time yes, but also here at 15, it's still early for you to start thinking of to take profit. There is nothing going to happen, guys, and Bitcoin is going to give you a new all-time high. So hold your Bitcoin tight and don't sell it. Don't give it to no one with cheaper price. So being talking about that thousands of times here in that channel, I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here's the Bitcoin in 12 hours, same thing. As you see it, he tried to break that last high here, but there is no power here. So let's see if we're going to break it or we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down again to touch for us that level here of 71k, or maybe here that 74k, because even that one it's possible. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. If the Bitcoin going to give us a new high, or the Bitcoin from here going to fall down, because based on technical analysis, Bitcoin is showing to us maybe there is a correction coming, but let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's my advice to you. Let's wait and see. Levels, you need to look close at them here in the Bitcoin, guys. That level where we are, as you see it here, that the third time also we touch it the first, second, and now we are in the third time. Let's see if we're going to break it now at the third time. The other level you need to look close at it is it that one here, 80,565. That one, the level you need to focus about it. Level which is down here at 72,115. So if you haven't buy yet, if the Bitcoin make that correction to 72,115, you need to buy again, my friend. That's my advice to you, because if you're looking at those moving averages, what they're telling you, you are in a very, very sharp uptrend. There is nothing to do about it. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. The Ethereum today, he do the unexpectable, as you see it here. It's breaking for you the neckline here of the double bottom, as you see it here. What that telling you? There is more pump here for the Ethereum. Exactly, it's going to go till here, till $3,000 here. That's where you need to start thinking of maybe to take some of the profit. People, they being with me, they remember that. Also, we've been buying from here, from here, from here, from here, from here, and the last buy of us, it was from here. Yes, also we're buying for long term. There is no short term. Now, if we want to sell, we are going to sell with profit. Now, if you're missing the entry from those levels down here, what should you do? Should you buy now? At this time, it's too late, my friend. At this time, it's too late to buy Ethereum for long term. You need to wait at least a correction or something like that to buy. But at this time, I don't think so. It's going to be a bigger correction because also we've been in a distribution level for some time, guys. Look at it, how long we've been here below in the 200 moving average. Look how long we've been here in the Ethereum. Now look where we are. Now let's see the levels. You need to focus on them here in the Ethereum. Levels, that level here, you are very, very close to hit it here. 29.76. That one which is down here, 28.21. That one here, 27.06. So those was the levels you need to look close at them because if it's making a correction, it's going to fall down just to 27.06. So that level here, 28.21. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's see our indicator. It's saying here in the Ethereum, our indicator, as you see it, guys, here is that the extreme overbought area. Should we enter a short? Also, we don't enter short or long based on indicators. Also, we enter based on price action, and there is no price action here telling us also we need to enter a short. That's why me I told you there is anyone he show you he trade based on technical indicators, don't follow him. That's what you need to do, my friend. Anyone using technical indicators, don't follow him. Follow price action. Without price action, everything, it repeats itself. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin into 4 hours, guys. The Bitcoin here, he came back, he tested the top of that channel here. As we show you in yesterday here, we came and we zoom it here like that. As you see it, we touch it the first time, we fall down. Now we touch it here the second time. Let's see if we're going to break it now or no. That way, me I told you, is very stronger level. Now let's see if the Bitcoin going to give us here in that level where we are a double top like how it happened here in that place here. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to give us here a W like that and it fall down to break for us the neckline. We are going to know that one here is the top, but I don't think so. There is nothing telling us that the top. Now if you haven't buy and you want to buy, what you need to do. Personally, I will do like that. I will come to that last high here and I will wait in a candle to come to close above it. I will enter along and I will put stop loss here because there is no buying out from the top without stop loss. You need to remember those things very, 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 very well. You are in a very dangerous zone, so you need to be careful, my friend. Plus another thing I showed to you in yesterday's video. What is it? I told you we got here that megaphone here like that. Yes or no? That the megaphone, may I show you in yesterday? We still here in the top of it. So if the Bitcoin falls down and breaking the lower or the neckline of the double top there, from here you need to enter a short till the lower of that megaphone, guys. And now me I give you for long and I give you for short because that's our job, guys. If you want exactly when us we enter, where to put stop loss, where to put take profit, I told you what to do. The link of our Patreon is down in description of that video and we're going to manage the trade with you. That of course if you are interested. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Based on our indicator, guys, we got here a divergence as you see it here. We show it to you in yesterday's video. Same thing, we still have here a divergence. Even here in that place where we are, we got another divergence, guys. Should we enter a short based on a divergence? Also, we don't enter based on divergence, guys. Also, we enter based on price action. At this time, there is no price action. The only price action will happen here Is it that small double top? If we fall down and breaking the neckline, yes, we're going to enter a short. Plus another thing, here the Bitcoin try to give you here like a flag, guys. You see it here? When we're reaching to lower time frames, I'm going to show you all those things. So if we break in the top of that flag, that means more going above, guys. I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see what Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, also yesterday we enter a short from here till here. The first take profit of us, we put it here. It hasn't hit it, but we take some of the profit here manually. Then Mia enter along from here as a scalping. Even some people with me, they enter for it till the top here. Today what happened here? We enter a short, scalping here. Then down here, because over here there used to be a lot of stop losses. We know it is going to pump the Bitcoin again. We enter a long look at it. The take profit for that one is it here, but also we're taking some of the profit manually and we're moving stop lose to entry point. Now here, look what we got, guys. You see it? What you got here? You got a flag, guys. If the Bitcoin came and breaking the top here, you need to go more long with it. You see it or no? That's the first thing. Second thing, what is it, guys? Second thing, is it that one here? Bitcoin try to give you here like a head and shoulder. You see it? If the Bitcoin falls down and breaking here, you need to enter a short, my friend. Again, I will summarize everything for you. I don't know which time you're going to see that. You got here for long a flag. As you see it, how I draw it. That's the stack of the flag, guys. You see it? Man, if the Bitcoin breaking above, you need to go more long with it. For short, what we got? For short, we got here like a head and shoulder, guys. You see it here? That's the first shoulder, that's the head, that's the second shoulder. Well, if the Bitcoin breaking down here, we need to enter a short. If you want it exactly when it's going to be broke, where to put stop lose, where to put take profit, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord where we're given there daily signals. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, look at it. We used to have here that the first divergence. Look at it here. The first divergence is getting broke here by that place here. That way also we enter that long day trading. Now what we got another divergence, guys. You see it here? That's another divergence. Should we enter a short? No, my friend. Also we still only in a place where is the bulls they controlling. Look at it. Every time he came, he touching that wall. Then after that, he pump again. He touch it here. Then he pump again. Should we enter a short now? No, me, I'm looking for the break of the one here for me to go more long with it, guys. That's the way of me how I trade. I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, please. Some days I haven't been putting videos and YouTube algorithm, they don't push a notification to everyone. So please smash that like button to help us to beat YouTube algorithm. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.